morning, pretty plants. Let's have an editing party. So I have like film clips on both three phones. I use my mom's, my sister's and mine. So yeah, I need all the devices. फेवरेट पेड़ हमारा. So with the podcast we narrate creepy tales there, and it was getting difficult to find new horror stories online, so we just bought this book. So these are pretty lengthy stories, but yeah, should be fun to narrate.
No, I want to sit on Papa's lap. You take Chitra away, the 3-year-old persisted.
So, if you have followed my vlogs for some time now, then you would notice that I show chicken bhujing quite a few times in some of the vlogs. So, bhujing especially is so tasty, and it's only available in Virar Vasai area, which is like a small village town where we live in Mumbai. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to make this recipe for the first time. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. So yeah, let's give this a try together. And if it works, you can ignore all the recipes that I have made, but do not ignore this one if you are a chicken fan, because it's so good. So here I have some with bone pieces. These are just medium cut pieces. So what I'm going to do is add potatoes. So these potatoes are with skin. This is like one of the specialities of the bhujing, like they add potatoes, and that too with skin. So I'm just going to add the potatoes. I've taken about 3 to 4 potatoes because I really love the potatoes in the bhujing. Then I'm going to add haldi according to taste, namak again according to taste, and then I have a mixture of dhania seeds, jeera and long. So this is just like a coarse mix. It doesn't have to be fine. I'm just going to add that into this, give it a good mix. I'm literally just following the recipe. Let's hope that this works out fine. So I'm just going to let this sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to line these up in a skewer, and I'm going to lightly roast it over, like I have this grill from the oven, and I'm just going to lightly roast it. So if you have a barbecue in your house, then that would work fine. If you don't, I think you would get some type of grill from somewhere. Yeah, I just hope you get it. putting some oil in a pan, and I'm going to add onions in this. With the onions, I'm also going to add the roasted chicken. It is not roasted through and through, not cooked through and through. So this is where we cook it fully. This is just the residual water. I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Now in a mixture jar, I'm going to add 4 green chilies, sukha nariyal, lots of garlic, 1 dalchini, and some long. Going to make a fine paste of this. So I transferred it to a different bigger vessel because it was a little small. So this is the paste that I have. I'm going to like Now this wasn't included in the recipe, but I'm still going to add some garam masala and a little bit of lal mirch powder. But you can totally avoid it. I'm also going to add some more namak because we are going to be adding poha into this. So just to balance that out. The last and the final step is to add poha into the mix. इसको सिर्फ थोड़ी 5 मिनट्स के लिए भिगोया है मैंने और कुछ भी नहीं किया है. अच्छे से मिक्स करके बस फ्लेम बंद कर देंगे जब भी सब कुक हो जाए अच्छे से. All through quarantine, almost a year ago, like this time, we used to doodle a lot, and we have a file here. I am just going to go through it and show you guys our doodles. This is just a preview. I'm going to lay these all out and give you guys a good preview of what we drew. This is technology old and new. This is mine. This is my sister's coffee doodles, and I love teapots, so she get Dida's teapot. Oh, so cute. My sister's Christmas doodles. This is my sea doodles. We got mermaids and fishes and stuff. My sister's Chinese takeout noodles. Ah, tasty. Even when these mason jar googles, my sisters. These are so cute. Travel googles by Anushka. So cute. This is also my sister's puns of encouragement. So yeah. Aww, this is so cute. Love to hang in there. Wow, so cute.